Hey folks, I wanted to have a little humble corner here and explain how I came to resolve an issue on this package unit that I railed against a couple weeks ago. There was an issue with gas pressure at the unit, and so I had changed out right here, changed this out, and it didn't resolve the issue. We had the utility company come out and they checked their line, they changed the regulator, they checked their meter 3 or 4 times, they did a pressure test 3 or 4 times over and over. Finally we got the plumber out and they put their big system and they blew out all the lines, make sure there wasn't anything in the actual gas line itself. It's got about 250 feet of line roughly, and so I've got my manometer hooked up, and every time the gas valve would come on, it would drop down to 0.2 or 0.3 inches of water column. Anyway, so took it apart and just was really perplexed. I didn't want to put another gas valve in without good reason, and so I broke it apart at the union here and then took it out of the valve back there, and I just put my lips on this pipe and blew, and sure enough, the little amount of pressure that my lungs could make was restricted, and so I busted all this apart. I started at the 90 here, took this nipple off right here, and lo and behold, inside that, right at the 90, I found this cap, and it has a little bit of hole in it, a little tiny little hole in it, and this cap was actually one that came on the protector cap that came in the valve when the package unit was manufactured. So I don't know how it came to reside inside the female end of this 90 here. However, once I discovered it, I took it out, put everything back together, and now I have proper inlet gas pressure when the valve opens, and my manifold pressure is set according to manufacturer specs. 1.8 inches of water column on low stage and 3.5 on high. Anyway, this has been Luke's Humble Corner. Stay cool out there, stay warm, whatever season you're in.